Hello, welcome back to another Colton Tech Tips video. I'm back, and I got a special guest.
It's me. I'm back. Am I back? No.
You've never been here.
No, I've never been here.
This is actually your first video. Well, because I haven't uploaded a video in like 2 months. I forgot what it was last time.
It was 3 months, yeah.
Right here. I figured because I bought this recently.
What was this?
I'm pointing at the time. How long? See, look, there it is.
I see it now.
Wow.
I wasn't looking up. My hair was in the way.
Well, like very cringy YouTubers. I bought a 3D printer, and I figured for fun we can set it up in this video, and I got some stuff.
Okay, fine.
And we're gonna do a bunch of awesome stuff like calibrating it and doing sorts of stuff. And another thing I forgot to mention was a motherboard upgrade.
What?
That'll be fine. Anyways, well, let's get started unboxing all of this. Now you can touch the knife. That's the wrong spot.
We're gonna get nice and close to
Yeah,
this.
let's
Put the filament out of the way. I'm
let's do
talking over you.
Let's do the main event last, because that's what every unboxer does. All right, let's get this.
I should change the like button to a middle finger for you.
All right, foam. Here you go. You can eat it.
What the f?
And here is the board.
I think, what color was it? Is it black?
Yeah, there it is.
The stock board on the Ender 3 series, for some reason they don't ship it with it, even though this is the second iteration, which the original, I only know only having a mini USB, and they replaced it to a micro. That's why it would look awkward. Here's a video of it, of the hole right now. And this board just silences the how loud the motors are. No fans.
And
being quieted.
It has a BL Touch, which I don't have, but at some point in the future I plan to add that. Wrong. Turns out I did have a BL Touch on the stock board. The upgrade was just to silence it. At least I believe. So correct me if I'm wrong. Back to the video.
We're gonna do a little update extension. Yeah. Extended video.
Should we mention what it is, or will idiots
Well,
know it?
We'll include it. I mean, if you do get us in, we should include it in this video before you upload this.
What?
Before you, if you do get it sooner than expected, before you finish this video, add it. We need it.
Well, I plan to do this first. This video is gonna be a few weeks because I'm planning to like do a bunch of prints with it and just talk about it more.
Okay.
And show the finished build, because yes, I'm gonna print a bunch of accessories. Should we mention that this is not the first time we're doing this?
Yeah, we're pros. We're actually pros. We build these for a living. That's a lie.
That's a lie. Actually,
We built one.
we built one already. It was his, and then I got one. All right. Anyways,
We're gonna print a lot of accessories now that we know what we're doing.
Yep.
And we're gonna do, or at least try to do, some time lapses on Octoprint. Should we also set that up in the video?
We got some filament. We got some just standard orange PLA Plus, and some blue PTEG, or PETG, or whatever you want to call it. So look, it's made out of cardboard.
No idea why it does that. It looks like they're trying to like save on the environment, even though it's the most popular plastic out there
It's I think that's exactly what it is.
for manufacturing. Yeah.
I don't know. I threw the manual somewhere.
Before we continue, follow these guys on Instagram.
All right, now let's get to the main event, the actual printer.
Yeah, we're gonna print this hard.
We're gonna yeah.
We're gonna print this.
All right. It's over here because we're safe.
Whoa, guys. Whoa.
Boom. So here's all the instructions and stuff. We don't need that in here. That was metal. Don't worry.
Wait, that's my printer.
All right, here is the main printer. We're just gonna put this over here. The main print, the bed and the extruder We got the god-awful power supply.
Actually, if you print a cover for that, I heard it, I tried it, like covering it with my hand. It's way quieter.
Well, here's the power supply. We'll
All right, and here's the thing.
X. I think. No, it's the axis.
What
Motor
was
and
it?
junk, and a
Oh, the filament motor. Yeah, that.
little screen. Here's the screen. First layer, done.
Yeah. Here, let's do a reaction. I mean, thumbnail. Let's just look in here. Let's just look.
Alright.
make it like glow. Like.
Okay. here's more metal, more supports and junk and crap and stuff. Right there. Power cable.
Power cable.
Here's
Cleaning
bunch of
filament.
stuff like the SD card, cleaning filament, and nozzles and other junk.
SD card reader. That's the thing.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh my god.
Screws. The little snipper things.
Cable ties. Always love those.
And a few more little things like a chisel. The thing for the filament.
And the Z-axis motor. All right, let's lay out what we got. This is everything that we got in the box. All right, to relist everything off. Bed destroyer, power supply. No, not. Well, it connects to the Z-axis. It connects to this, but it's the what was it, X?
Here we got the filament holder, metal, more supports, bag of accessories with cleaning filament, nozzles, that thing, and SD card.
Comes with 2.4 millimeter nozzles.
Did you say 2.4 or 0.4?
Just 2 of the 0.4 millimeter.
Oh, I thought you were saying 2.4.
Yeah. No.
More screws,
Screws.
everything.
Yeah. That's okay.
Green, Z-axis motor.
Is this supposed to be this high up? I need to.
Probably not. It's probably good. I think it's flush.
Oh, that's probably bad though.
Forgot about this thing. I love to drop everything apparently.
Oh yeah.
No electronics, it's just bearings and stuff. And yeah, that's everything.
No. What? Stops recording. No. Before we put this together, we're gonna install the new motherboard to it.
That's true. We should probably do that.
That will make things a lot simpler.
Take everything over there. Oops.
Yeah. Whoops. Okay. So
Like Linus Tech Tips. Now, we're gonna skip the motherboard upgrade because, well, it's just boring. This video is long enough already. So to the main build. All right, we're back, and it's done. Definitely did not take like
3 hours.
more like 45 minutes. Jesus.
Oh, yeah. Let's clean this up. Good thing we got editing magic to clean this up. You're gonna clean it up. You're gonna clean it up. And it's done. We finally finished it. Wow, that editing magic sure is something, right? We
Yep.
finished it in a blink of a second. Yeah.
Yes, it did.
made it.
And we left the most important part.
Oh, close up. There you go. That's how it's done. Powering. You're gonna turn it on. But before that, we're gonna flash the newest firmware version on it here. So let's go do that.
I think everything's good. Now it's the moment of truth. Let's see what we f***ed up. Go for it.
Plug this into the wrong port.
Oh, okay. We'll turn it off. And I see another problem. This fan's not on. Wait, turn it on again.
It's not on.
All right, a little update. We had to stop recording for a bit. So the Z-axis is not working. So what we had to do was go get his printer.
It printed a new one.
Now we have two. And yeah, we're trying to figure it out because every time we do the we do a test on the Pronto face. It says triggered on that one. So we have narrowed it down because what we did is we tested, ignore the dog, we tested the wire switch on both, working fine on there. It's a motherboard problem, so I'm going to have to go return that, unfortunately. Alright, well, judging by how many jump cuts there were, from this to that to there to here, we had issues. Issues indeed. We had so many. But now it's working. And unfortunately, we had to install custom firmware on both machines, mine and Brandon's, and Brandon's 3D print. So we got custom firmware from what was it? This is where we got it from, because we corrupted Brandon's, and it looked like this. And then mine just had the blank screen to death. Mine was pretty easy to fix. All we had to do was record it. Well, I'm dumb. I was recording on the wrong microphone apparently. Should be right one now. Very complicated. So we had to go through a whole process of compiling a new firmware because our CPU was different. Our CPU was different basically. So we had to recompile it, make a new one. And now they're both working. So because I figured, hey, why not? Since the custom firmware just looked way better than the stock firmware, I just installed it on his, mine as well. Apparently, here he's been messing around with it. He says the auto home is so much better. It's always faster. I haven't printed anything yet. This is technically going to be my first test. At some point, so we haven't done any test prints yet. I need to work with it a little bit, level it, get G-code for this. You can see this cable right here. Apparently this is a fire hazard, how it is right now, so we'll have to make some chains. I don't know if you saw it, but there were chains on Brandon's, and so first day of my 3D printer went bad. But hey, what do you expect? It troubleshooting. I guess I'll come back in a week whenever things look better. I printed out some stuff and I just tried stuff. Yeah, just turn it off. And I'm gonna go. Bye bye. Goodbye. Bye bye. Well, a few weeks have passed and not much has happened. Well, kinda. The first week at least was me like figuring out the printer. I had just issues with it. I've just had issues with leveling the bed. I just wasn't doing it correctly, and then I figured out how to do it correctly, so that's my fault, not the printer. And another thing was Octoprint. Just setting up Octoprint, it wasn't working right. Like the first time I used it, it was weird. But after I got it all set up, yeah, everything was good. It's pretty much good to go. I haven't printed very much, but the things that I did print I'm either using or not mine because my friend stole my filament. But the things that I did print, I actually printed these out today. They're a bunch of coins. And this one has a mess up on it. Oh yeah, because these ended up not finishing because when I was on the computer, the Octoprint computer, I was trying to plug in a USB, but I accidentally bumped the micro USB, so it just straight up disconnected. I don't think I'm looking at the camera. Now I'm looking at the camera. It disconnected and it ruined the print. So this one is a little messed up. And I think there's a few others that are like sunken down. No, it's only this one. This is the mess up. So yeah, everything's going well. I just need to find more things to print. I need to work on stuff like I just need to work on Cura, figure out more stuff. Another thing I forgot to talk about was the motherboard upgrade. I did actually get that replaced. I got it replaced because why not? It's dead silent. I think I did do an audio comparison. I'll put it up right now. It's humming right now. Yeah, so it's like almost dead silent, which I'm happy about. But it's still gonna live in another room because I just don't want to have it in here. I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, do like, I don't care. Do whatever. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.